Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of January 20th through to the 26th, and I will be decorating with the Let's Planet Delia supplemental stickers. When I chose these, or when I purchased these from Let's Planet, I really wanted more just decoration rather than specific kits. While I like kits, I don't always use the functional stickers, whereas this is more like I have a bit more freedom for what I can use and play around with. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is draw in the lines for my grid. I separate my weeks into 3 different columns. The first column on the left is for my work schedule, and then the middle column is for to-do lists, and then this far right column is for the weather. Okay, and this is my Mahjong or Moonman A1, and it's a good like throw in the purse type of pen. Okay, so let's see here. Like, I like that. I also like that. I think I'm going to use this one to put right in the corner and use this circle to go with it. Then I think I'm going to put something up in the top, like this one. And then, oh, who's texting me? Oh, Amanda, if you're watching this, you just texted me. Okay, then I want to, what do I want to do? I like that pattern, but I also wanted to do one of these strips and maybe a square. Or is that too much? Actually, I think the contrast between all 3 will be really cute. Oh, I like it. Okay, now I'm gonna do something down at the bottom here. I almost feel like I should have used this down here at the bottom, but in hindsight, whatever. So, because the thing is, I don't want to cover the 26th because I need to write stuff down there. Okay, so that's not gonna work, and that's okay. Oh, what I could do, bring out the trusty scissors, is cut this. I'm always cutting stickers. Maybe before I do that, this is some wiper cream tape in 2.5 millimeters. This was sent to me by I guess, planner, pen friend, but you could buy this from, well, she got this from Paper Plus Cloth in Toronto, but I'm sure you could probably get this wherever. Okay, then place this down. I actually like the way that I had it placed last week. There we go. Then I think, I don't know, how do I feel about putting like a strip just like that? Nope, I don't like it. So put that one back. Then maybe put this on the other side. And no, that looks weird. Just place that here. I don't know. I feel like now I need to cover that area, and I'm not necessarily happy with how that turned out. Yeah, no. No, not happy with that. I feel like I could cover that with a quote or something. according to Allie, normally has good quotes to cover that area, but I don't know if I have them in the right color scheme. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's the last one in there, but it's like the same color. I almost feel like I need to have it contrasting. Like if I put this across there, I'm going to take my scissors and just cut. I'm totally experimenting here. And sometimes what I do doesn't always work, and that's okay. I actually don't mind that. But this be good, be the good you want to see in the world. I feel like I could, oh yeah, I could extend it across both. Perfect. Okay. And I finished a sticker sheet. So be the good. I don't normally spend this much time on the bottom part, but oh, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna leave that. I'm not gonna do anything else to that. So next is the weather, and I'm using this stamp from AliExpress. No, the colors do not match, but I'm kind of used to it now. So it's cloudy on Monday. Is there one for wind? There is not, but it's probably going to be windy. It is going to be windy on Tuesday. Sun and cloud on Wednesday. And then Thursday, cloudy. Wow, lots of variety here. Friday, cloudy. Saturday, sun and cloud. And then Sunday is also cloudy. And our temperatures this week, well, I say this week, but for Monday, that is a huge range. But I need, before I do anything, blotting paper. So Monday, the high is -4. And then the low is -28 Celsius, gosh. But then Tuesday, the high is -1. Then the low is -4. So huge changes in temperature this week. I'm just gonna write the rest of them in. Okay, there is the temperature for the week, and I realized I wrote down with the wrong pen, but that is okay. So this week, I'm just looking ahead because there's a couple of things here. So this week I've got an appointment, and then Henry has an appointment. So my work schedule is going to be slightly different on Wednesday. So Monday, my work schedule is the usual 9 to 5:30. Same with Tuesday. Then Wednesday, it is 10 to 6:30 because Henry has a dentist appointment that day. Thursday, my schedule is always 8:30 to 5. And then Friday, 9 to 5:30. Then Henry has swimming from 11:15 to 12. And then on Sunday, he has his badminton now. Yeah, these Pelican pens are such wet broad writers, so it's harder for me to use this in my Hobonichi weeks. All right, then using my narwhal, going to be adding in some important things here as well. So I have an appointment at 6 o'clock. And then Henry has his dentist appointment. And then, gosh, my brain, yeah. Oh, it's because I'm writing it differently than I normally would. Okay. All right. I feel like, is there anything else that I'm missing? This is why I'm referring back to the yearly page. This is where I'm basically pre-planning. So no, those are the only 2 things coming up this week. All right. So then in the middle blocks is where I'm going to be writing my to-do list. So with Monday, I know there will be meal planning and ordering groceries. Then Tuesday, we'll be putting out the garbage. And then nothing yet. I know, let's see. There is a video I need to edit. It's gonna be coming out here, and then I have 2 videos coming out here. And I'm hoping that they turn out okay. So let's see here, film. Called Penn's Haul. It hasn't arrived yet, but it is on the way. And then film, I'll be doing a red ink exploration. And I don't have many, so it's not gonna be a very long video. And then Saturday is cleaning, so bathrooms. Actually, I have to do, now just checking my lists here. Oh, I have to do bed linens today. So not on that Saturday. Then, so bathrooms, my husband is going to do the vacuuming. Is my planner straight in here? There we go. Then dust. And then I feel like I'm totally missing something. Dusting and the door handles and light switches and windows. And then there's also the mopping to do. Okay, and then nothing yet on Sunday. All right, so again, my to-do list is what I know offhand at the start of the week, and then I just fill it in as I go. So if you haven't seen it, my week kind of gets filled in as I go. If there's things that I didn't get done, then I just cross them out. And so far, I'm loving the way that this is working for me. So then on this side here is where I'm going to keep track of actually important tasks. I'll put tasks here, and this is for stuff that I want to get done this week but have no specific day for it. Then we'll do my sleep score. Sleep and go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I hope I don't get any days where I have less than 4 hours of sleep. But yeah, this week in terms of my sleep score has not, I say not great, it's still like high 70s, low 80s, according to my Fitbit. Then I will put my workouts on this side. I like this setup for the weeks. I'm able to get all of the tracking all in one page. And it's just easier for me to look at like this. And then we have the habits that I want to work on. So listening to my audiobook, taking my vitamins daily, and then my nightly routine. And then stationary spending, like no stationary spending. So I check it off if I've not spent anything. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then just write habits. Perfect. And then lastly down here, I'll just do next week. back down next week. Oops. All right. I like the way that that looks. I'm going to just tidy up here. Okay, so there is my finished spread. I like the combination of just these really neutral colors. Of course, the dusty pink and the browns. Not very like wintry, but I mean, I'll use a sticker kit because I like the colors. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.